Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Metaverse Guided Meditation, where we explore the marvels of engineering and construction from around the world. In today's episode, we're diving into the fascinating realms of mega construction projects, specifically focusing on the incredible bridge and tunnel construction technologies hailing from Japan and Turkey. So buckle up, and let's embark on this awe-inspiring journey. Our first stop takes us to the land of the rising sun, Japan, where engineering excellence reaches new heights. The Akashi Kaikyo Bridge, also known as the Pearl Bridge, stands as a testament to Japanese innovation and precision. Connecting the island of Awaji to the city of Kobe, this suspension bridge is the longest central span in the world, spanning an astonishing 1,991 meters, 6,532 feet. Completed in 1998, the Akashi Kaikyo Bridge withstood the challenges of seismic activities and typhoon winds, thanks to its flexible design and advanced engineering techniques. The use of high-strength steel cables and pendulum bearings ensures its resilience against earthquakes, making it a symbol of Japan's commitment to building structures that can withstand the forces of nature. Moving on from bridges to tunnels, let's explore another marvel from Japan, the Seikan Tunnel. This underwater tunnel stretches beneath the Bosporus Strait, connecting the islands of Honshu and Hokkaido. It's the second longest tunnel of its kind globally, with a length of 53.8 kilometers, 33.5 miles. Constructed in the 1980s, the Seikan Tunnel utilized innovative tunnel boring machines and state-of-the-art ventilation systems. Engineers had to contend with the challenges of underwater construction, ensuring the safety of passengers and the stability of the tunnel against the pressure of the surrounding seawater. Japan's commitment to precision and safety shines through in every meter of this incredible engineering feat. Now, let's shift our focus to Turkey, where another architectural wonder is taking shape, the Istanbul Strait Road Tunnel. This ambitious project aims to create a subsea tunnel beneath the Bosporus Strait, connecting the European and Asian sides of Istanbul. The Istanbul Strait Road Tunnel, once completed, will not only alleviate traffic congestion but also mark a significant milestone in tunneling technology. With a length of about 6.5 kilometers, 4 miles, this project requires innovative construction methods to overcome geological challenges and ensure the safety and efficiency of the tunnel. Our journey through Turkey continues with the Yavuz Sultan Selim Bridge, a breathtaking example of modern engineering. Spanning the Bosporus Strait, this bridge is not just a transport link but an architectural masterpiece that showcases Turkey's commitment to infrastructure development. Constructed with a dual-deck design, the Yavuz Sultan Selim Bridge accommodates both rail and road traffic, easing congestion in one of the world's most populous cities. The implementation of cutting-edge technologies, including advanced seismic isolation systems, ensures the bridge's durability and safety during earthquakes. There you have it, friends. A glimpse into the incredible world of mega construction projects, where Japan and Turkey lead the way with their awe-inspiring bridges and tunnels. These feats of engineering not only connect people and places but also stand as testaments to human ingenuity and perseverance. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thank you for joining us on Metaverse Guided Meditation. Until next time.